In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload large files to OneDrive. If you need to store big files in the cloud so you can access them later, share them with others, or keep a backup online. OneDrive makes that process pretty simple. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click and what to expect so the upload goes smoothly, especially when you're working with larger files or even full folders. To begin, open OneDrive and make sure you're in the location where you want your files to be uploaded. This is helpful because anything you add will go into the folder you currently have open. If you want to keep things organized, you may want to open the correct folder first before starting the upload. Once you're ready, look over to the left side and click on Create or Upload. This is the main option OneDrive gives you when you want to add something new to your cloud storage. After clicking it, a small menu will appear with different upload choices. From that menu, click either Files Upload or Folder Upload, depending on what you need. Choose Files Upload if you're adding one large file or several individual files. Choose Folder Upload if you want to send an entire folder and keep its internal structure exactly the way it is on your computer. That can be especially useful if you're uploading a project, a set of videos, or a large collection of documents that you want to stay organized. After that, select from your files. A file browser window will open, allowing you to look through your device and find the item you want to upload. If you chose File Upload, click the file or files you want. If you chose Folder Upload, select the full folder instead. Then confirm your selection to begin the upload. At this point, OneDrive will start transferring your files. For large uploads, the process may take a little time depending on your internet speed and file size, so it's a good idea to keep the browser open until everything finishes. You may also see a progress indicator, which can help you confirm that the upload is still moving. Once the upload is complete, your file or folder should appear in OneDrive and be ready to open, move, or share. And that's all it takes to upload large files to OneDrive quickly and efficiently.